Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick LaCrosse. Stock number is A7699A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.